In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use increase-decrease arrows in Looker Studio. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a scorecard and configure it so it clearly shows whether your metric is going up or down, using those familiar arrows that make performance changes instantly obvious. Start by heading to Looker Studio. From the main area, navigate to your reporting section and open the report you want to work with. When the report loads, switch into edit mode so you can make changes. You'll see the editing toolbar appear across the top of the canvas. Next, add the visual we need. Open. Add a chart and choose Scorecard. This chart is perfect for highlighting a single key metric and displaying its change at a glance. After it appears on your canvas, click the scorecard to select it. This selection is important because it opens the chart's setup and style options in the right-hand Properties panel. With the scorecard selected, look in the Properties panel for the comparison section. Expand it, then find other comparison options. This is where the arrow behavior lives. These options control whether arrows show, which direction indicates improvement, and how the change is calculated and displayed. Now, choose your comparison type. For a straightforward display, select Value. Using value shows the raw increase or decrease next to the main number, which makes the arrows feel intuitive. An up arrow when the current value is higher than the comparison, and a down arrow when it's lower. If you've ever been unsure whether a percent change or a raw change tells a clearer story, value is a great default for most business metrics. Next, set the comparison to target value. This tells the scorecard to compare your current metric against a benchmark you define rather than a previous period. Using a target is especially useful for goals like daily leads, weekly revenue, or a specific conversion threshold. Once a target is in place, the scorecard will automatically evaluate the difference and display the appropriate increase or decrease arrow alongside the value. As you adjust these options, you should see the arrows appear right on the scorecard. By default, Looker Studio uses familiar color cues for up and down. You can fine-tune those in the same panel if needed. If the arrows don't show, double-check that a comparison is enabled, that the metric has a non-zero difference from the target, and that the scorecard remains selected while you're configuring it. That's it. You've opened your report, entered edit mode, added a scorecard, and configured the comparison settings so the increase and decrease arrows clearly communicate performance at a glance.